Okay, come for you. Gaming people out there supporting me. This is my old channel. For those of you who don't know why I say that, it's from my old channel, my gaming channel. So I just switched the G from side to side, from the alternate side, which brings me to my topic of the day. Should I say bye-bye to the G and bring out the Montero Sport? Because as you guys know, this is a real wheel traction car. And for those who you may or may not know, they are absolutely horrible in the snow. I'm gonna wait until next week or possibly 2 weeks. If it keeps snowing, then yeah, most definitely I will say bye-bye. But if it doesn't, then I might keep it a little longer. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time, stay safe, stay warm. Peace and love.